Hey there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Now, this isn't the scheduled video that I was planning on doing this weekend, because things are up and down and I've got to make the jig yet to do those custom made air vents for the Rodeo. So, the video coming is just a random one, so it has a little bit of updates and all that sort of stuff. So yeah. So please like, subscribe and share, and better still get us up to 1,000 subscribers and that will help. Anyway, till next time, I'll see you shortly. Ciao for now. This video is proudly brought to you by Metal Man Tools. So if you're looking for tools and that, jump over and check out Metal Man Tools for all your metal shaping tools and equipment. Thanks, Dexter.
Check it out. Check it out.
Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. This is going to be just a quick short video, and that I've got a little bit of a wait to go and pick it up, but I'm picking up another part for another engine that I've got. It's come up cheap. There's a tiny little bit of damage, but if I can set up my TIG welder right, I might be able to repair that damage into the original shape, or I might be able to send it, give it to somebody else to alloy weld it and that, but it doesn't affect any of the functions on it and that sort of stuff. So as you all know, that I've been piecing some engines together to build on the channel. When I got the money, or if the part comes up and it's at the right price, then I'll jump on it. So I've managed to find what over here in Australia we call the banana. It goes on the 304, which was like, I think, the 5 litre Holden V8 back in the 90s, up to the VT. Now about a year or two ago I managed to get my hands on a block, a 5 litre block that looks to be a 355 stroker block. It looks like it's had everything taken out with a bigger crank, or bigger rods and pistons and things like that. Yet to determine if that's right or wrong, but because I want to eventually build myself a either an early SS replica or whatnot. I've got this block, and at the same time I was also given some 308 heads, which apparently will fit on the block. I'm not too sure if I should try and get some original ones or save some dollars and get new 335 stroker heads for it, some alloy heads, for that, because these 308 red motor cast iron heads, and that. So yeah, this motor has got a fair length of time to go, because this is only the part number 2 for it. I've got nothing else for it except what is it? The water pump housing, and all that sort of stuff. I've got that there. Yeah. So I'm sitting down at the local shopping centre at the moment, or one of them, Sugarland Plaza, in the car park, just to kill some time. So yeah, so I've got a few bits and pieces for another engine. I've got a 186 stock standard block there. Now I also picked up some really good condition pistons, rods, cam bearings, crank bearings and all that sort of stuff. Pretty sure I got the crank there as well, and a cam too that I picked up a little while ago. So I'm looking at taking the 253 that I've got sitting on the engine stand at the moment, which is my blue one, which I haven't been able to get more parts for, and start building the 186 for the channel, just so there's something different, because some people want to see different bits and pieces as well. So that's the goal and the plan at the moment for the new year. So yeah, so anyway, when I get this particular part, I will show you guys when I get back to the workshop, and yeah, chat soon. So back at the workshop, and so yeah, so we got the old banana manifold, throttle body, and a few of the other bits. This bit has been broken off. He said it was accidentally broken off by the chain, but we might just see how we go. I might either just get that re-welded in and then grind it back, or we just smooth it out there to that one. But yeah, we might try and get it TIG welded back in to that area. Sorry about the camera work. TIG welded back so it matches into that area, and then I can smooth it off. He's going to see if he's got the plate there as well on that, but we've got the rails for it as well, which is good. Come off a running motor. So yeah, so that there is for that one there. So I'm going to sort out what heads will go into that and get them decked and new valves put in. So still ways to go on parts. Sorry guys. So yeah, still a little way to go on parts to get there and start building that engine. But if any of you guys out there want to help sponsor the channel to do a engine build, yeah, send us whatever parts, water pump, anything like that. I will do some more research on what sort of block it is. Josh is going to come around sometime and check out that block for me as well, because if it is a 355, as he said, a 355 roller crank block, then it's a VR or VS block. So yeah, so I'm going to double check on that. Anyway, that was today's little adventure. So yeah, till next time, stay safe. Give us leave a thumbs up, subscribe, share, all that, and yeah, till next time, stay safe, keep the rubber side down. Ciao for now.